Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 VW Tiguan SE L. This car comes with the 2-litre turbo diesel engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 58 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and the car's covered just over 62,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the metallic Reflex Silver and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we look inside, first of all, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats, as you can see, are in great condition. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers as well. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has heated front seats, as well as climate control and automatic headlights and wipers. You also have the upgraded digital dash there as well, which I think looks really smart. And then on the driver's door card, you've got your electric folding mirror switch and also your full window controls. And then also on the SE L, you also have the large opening glass panoramic roof as well, so that lets in plenty of light. The Tiguan's a great car for the family, so as we open the rear doors, nice and easy access there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and then rear passengers have their own air vents and also picnic tables in the back of the front seats as well, so nice and practical. And as we open the tailgate, you have the nice big boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and then also the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, so you can lower it slightly to increase the volume by a few inches. And then below that, you've obviously got your space saver wheel as well. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 19-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we'll finance with just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.